Yo, what is up YouTube? Cracking Tuts YT here, bringing you another Spider-Man video, and today we're going to be installing mods. So after my last video, you guys should have had the Spider-Man PC tool installed. If you didn't, the link is in the description. You guys can go do that. It's a 2-minute video. After you have this installed, all you're going to want to do is install a mod now. So you can go to the link in the description and go to Nexus mods. They have a great selection of mods for the game, and so you just want to open that up in your browser and you'll see this page. You just want to scroll down. You can look at all the different categories. I'm going to go to all time. Alright, so I'm going to download this one, the classic symbiote suit. So when you find a mod you want, all you're going to do is click right here, download, and then instead of say additional files required, instead of say you need this, we already have this installed, so click download. Then you just want to click slow download, and you just want to wait for that. Alright, so now that it's done downloading, you just want to open that up, and we're going to extract that. So it's going to be a SMPC mod file that is for the Spiderman PC tool. You just want to drag this out. You can do this to your desktop, but I'm just going to do this to my folder. So we have our mod extracted now. We can close this and open up our Spiderman PC tool. And so you just want to click on mod manager, and I already have some mods installed. You guys will see this one when I load the game up. But to add a mod, you just want to click add. Now you just want to go to the folder that you extracted the mod to, so I have that in here. All you just want to do is click on open on your mod, and it's done adding mod. And so when it's in here, you know everything's all good. All you want to do is click on the check, and then click install mods to game. Alright, so after installing the mods, you can now close that all out and open up your Spider-Man. So we replaced the Scarlet suit, that is this one, and as you can see, it's the one that we downloaded. We just equip it, and yeah, super easy to do, super cool. So yeah, that's really all there is to it. If you guys enjoyed the tutorial, please leave a like, and have a good one.